BJP National Executive Committee underscored the fact that the party will next draw its attention towards Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, and Telangana, where BJP could not emerge as a strong alternative party. In the meeting of the Executive Committee held on Sunday, BJP National President JP Nadda stated that the party will soon strengthen its influence in the states and governments will be formed. He alleged that Kerala's left government is resorting to appeasement politics. The convention appreciated the Prime Minister for the pursuits of the central government in COVID times. In the press meet, Central Ministers Nirmala Sitharaman, Bhupendra Yadav, and Dharmendra Pradhan informed that major agenda in the meeting included preparations of party in the states that expect assembly elections next year, bypoll results, measures for COVID preventions, and the developments in Jammu and Kashmir after the removal of special status. Nadda said that the victory in the by-election in Telangana proved that BJP is the alternative of Telangana Rashtra Samiti in the state. The assembly elections in West Bengal also witnessed an increase in vote share of BJP. Large-scale development activities are being undertaken at Jammu and Kashmir, and the BJP-led government could introduce several welfare schemes for the farmers. Some 342 persons, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi, attended the National Executive Committee that met after 2019. Veteran leaders L.K. Advani and Dr. Murali Manohar Joshi participated virtually. Minister V. Muralidharan, National Vice President A.P. Abdullah Kutty and spokesperson Tom Vadakan represented Kerala, and other leaders attended through video conferencing. The National Executive Meeting concluded on Sunday with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's speech, where he spoke extensively on BJP's ambitious Seva Hi Sangathan drive. Service is the highest form of worship. A new culture of service has been demonstrated by the Karyakartas of the BJP. Seva Hi Sangathan has served the nation during tough times, said the Prime Minister. Party National Secretary Anubham Hazra later said the Prime Minister asked everyone to contact old party workers. Speaking to ANI, Hazra said PM Modi gave messages on many matters in the meeting. Mainly, he asked everyone to contact the old party workers. He told us to prepare a list of them at the district level and organize a meeting with them. The PM also said that the old workers have a lot of experience which we can also get from them. He said that we have to strengthen the database of our old workers. We have to see how the new people can learn from them, Hazra added. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.